We are finally able to get this last part of getting all the sewers connected. The inspector came out, we got the sewer passed, we are good to go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Super exciting day today because we are finally able to get this last part of getting all the sewers connected so that we can keep moving forward with this project and start working on the driveways and such. So, two of the houses had sewer laterals that were installed about 50 years ago. This property was supposed to have one. Instead of putting a sewer lateral, which we verified 50 different ways, we dug down 13 feet deep over here, over there. We had cameras come out. We had everything happen out here, man, to make sure that we knew that there was no lateral. They put a cap on it, unfortunately, a little 6-inch cap. So we're gonna have to spend about $3,000, well, with cameras and stuff, about $4,000 at this point to run a lateral over to this property, but that's the cost of business. If you wanna play, you gotta pay. That's the way it goes. But however, Bobcat was like, yo, we got you, don't worry. We got you a mini excavator. So they brought that out for me, or I went and got it, used it. It was a little too small. So they're like, don't worry, we got you with the E60. Shout out Bobcat of Chattanooga. Shout out Bobcat of Knoxville. If you need any rentals, if you need any equipment, go check them out. What the guys are gonna do when they come out here today, they're gonna dig down and make sure that they bring their shoring equipment so they are being safe. They're gonna get all that set up as they're digging down so they can put that sewer lateral in. I'm super excited to finally get this going, man, because if we don't get this done, then this is all muddy all the time. We finally got everything cleaned up over here on this other side. As you can see, just a lot of progress, a lot of work that needs to get done so that we can keep moving forward. Remember, this house has to get done super ASAP, like so super and ASAP at the same time. Guy's getting married, he needs to get moved in, he needs this house done. So we're gonna try to get this one pushed as hard as possible, get those done as we finish this one up. However, we are gonna get these guys from Southeast Total Services to come in here, get this lateral put in, then we'll be able to connect the sewer to the house, and we'll just keep it moving. So let's wait on them to get here and we'll get some work going. Alrighty, y'all, so the guys have shown up and they are digging right away. They were like, look, let's get to it. They got their pipes right here. They got stuff in the wheelbarrow. They got everything they need to get this job done. They're gonna do it safely, of course. JT was out here, the owner of the company, and he made sure everything was what it needed to be before we actually started this. Had me backfill some areas with a little bit of dirt, a little bit of gravel in some areas so that his guys were safe. I'm super excited to get this done. Like I said, this is probably a total of about $4,000. And then again, shout out to Bobcat for giving me this equipment, because if it wasn't for them, man, I mean, we're like $7,500 deep right here, literally. And this is 9 feet deep. So as he gets down there, once they put in this lateral, this is gonna be crazy. The city was supposed to put this in. Someone 50 years ago was like, you know what? Let's just put a cap on this one for some reason. But on the map, on all of the stuff that it's supposed to be on, it's showing that there's a lateral here, but there's not. We have verified that with cameras. So anyways, that's enough talking from me. We're gonna get them working, getting this done, man, and they're just gonna do a great job. Y'all, we got guests from Charleston, South Carolina. Mr. Rusty, Miss Pauline. We're coming in for a group hug here. Come on in, come on in. How y'all doing?
You look
I gotta tell YouTube what this is. So y'all, when I was in college at Charleston Southern University, these random folks randomly saw me in the cafeteria one day. We just grew a connection, and then all of a sudden I got the garage code to y'all's house. I'm coming over whenever I want to. I ain't even got a call. They're like, stop calling us, just come over whenever. I'm getting peanut butter honey sandwiches. And now you're in Chattanooga. Waffle House. We can't forget Waffle House. Now we're in Chattanooga. And y'all are just randomly saying, hey, I'm in Atlanta. We're coming 2 hours down, and we're going to see you in a bit.
Yep.
Isn't this crazy?
You're well worth it. You are well worth it, son. God bless
oh, man,
you.
God bless y'all. This is give me a hug right here, Miss Pauline. Oh, my goodness. It's so good to see y'all.
Nothing in the world.
Well, we're going to stop filming, and we're going to talk for a little bit here for a second. Alrighty, y'all, so dump trucks just came by, dropped a bunch of 57 gravel. So we got enough gravel out here, man, that we are going to be straight, man. JT just jumped out here. JT, my brother. Hey, we appreciate you coming out to the site, man. Not always do you get the owner of the company to come out and make sure everything's getting done right. So check it out. Right here, we got the Crossfire clean out. He was in there. He was in the ditch with him, is what Paul tells me. I just got back on the job site. They're getting the gravel put back right there. Everything's going good. JT, I just got word that y'all are going to run the sewer all the way to the house. Man, I tell you what, look, y'all, talk about A1 service, A1 customer service. This is crazy. Southeast Total Service, man. You give them a call. What's y'all's number? 423-499-2911. Give them a call, and guess what's coming? JT's coming, and he's going to haul. So everything's happening, man. I'm excited. This is good stuff. It actually turned out pretty smooth, in my opinion. I left so I didn't have to deal with it because it just freaks you out sometimes. No, I had an appointment to run to, but they're literally knocking this out, man. They ain't got much further to go to the house. They'll be able to tie that sewer in. The lateral's there, the Crossfire cleanout's there, like I said, and then we'll just pass inspection, get that done, covered up, and we got all the 57 gravel that you possibly need to get this entire project done. So regardless, man, again, we appreciate JT and Southeast, man, everything. I appreciate you, brother. No, thank you, man. And y'all, guess what? He actually started a swear jar at work. And how much money have your employees got so far?
So far, they're at about $48.
$48, and it's only been, how long? It's only been about three days?
2 days.
3 days. They got a little trash can full of money. So you're welcome to all your employees, first of all. You're welcome, folks, because y'all are, what, $40, $48, $42 richer. And hopefully that keeps going because you got a whole 7 days of it, right?
I'm trying not to curse.
That's all right. Hey, we're getting there.
That's why I didn't say much.
We're getting there. But anyways, they're going to finish up. We're going to get this filmed. We appreciate you. And y'all, a lot of work getting done, man. That's how we do it. Nikos Property Show. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Alrighty, y'all, so the inspector came out, we got the sewer passed, we are good to go, and right here we have 30 feet so that we can run our water line through this and sleeve it under the driveway area, because all of this right here will be the entire driveway. So we're doing a driveway that comes out right here for the garage, and then because I love people, and no matter what I'm doing, whether I'm building for myself or for somebody else, I'm going to do it as if I'm gonna live here. So we're doing a whole nother driveway that extends about 10 feet out to the side so that whoever pulls in here doesn't have to back out here. So this person go in the driveway and all this good stuff and then go in the garage. We ain't got time for that. 2 driveways, whatever it is, we're gonna pay it, get it done. We are good here, man. The Crossfire clean out and everything like that. We're gonna backfill all this with gravel, make sure it is nice and sturdy and good to go, and then finally get all the rest of this dirt out of here, start putting more gravel down. We'll be able to pour these driveways here shortly, but we're gonna actually film us putting in the sleeve and everything like that, getting some of this work done, because we got a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it, because this person right here has to move in quick. So I think we'll still meet the deadline, we'll get everything done, but right now, let us get to work. Alrighty, y'all, so we are completely done backfilling all the gravel and everything that had to do with this sewer lateral. Cost us about $5,500 to $6,000 in total. It's okay though, man. As long as we got progress, that's what we're hoping for and aiming for and getting it done. You got to execute, you got to have a plan, you got to execute the plan. So anyways, got this in, got it passed by inspection and everything like that. Plumbing inspector came out, got it done for us. We actually got this water dugout right here that we're going to wait on MC Plumbing to come out, attach for us. We'll get these covered up. So they'll be here in a few days and then we'll just keep it moving. And I can't wait to finally get this entire thing poured right here, man. Get a driveway in, get a sidewalk, and finally get all the topsoil in and just get this yard dressed up, man. Getting some sod in here, getting some bushes, doing landscaping, man. It just brings the entire house to life. Even though we've been doing a lot of property work and everything like that, it just brings everything together, and we'll just continue with the second house and the third house over there. So we'll kind of walk over here and kind of show you. Even Paul's actually digging the final water line for the third house, which is that greenhouse right there, the quiet willow. And then once we're done with that, we'll just be able to tie in all the water and everything like that and just keep it moving, man. So there's a lot of stuff happening on the inside, on the outside, and we're just making tons of progress with the water, with the flooring, with the walls, with the paint, with whatever it is. There's a lot going on. It's so much happening that it's even hard to keep track of the videos, to be honest. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe and follow us on all social platforms for Nikos Property Show. If you haven't yet, check out nikos-school.teachable.com. If you want to check out my real estate investors beginners course, you can learn how to get into this, how I got into it, and just kind of figure out the process with me. Without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.